Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today and it has just formed a wave 2 here. I'll be expecting this small consolidation in the hourly charts to break on the downside. Overall it has completed a 5-wave rally on the upside. And now I'll be expecting a good retracement till at least 50% or 38% retracement where the averages have been forming. So 5850 and 5870 would remain a very crucial support for the markets. If we close below that, if we close below these averages, then the medium term outlook also gets negative. The momentum indicator on the daily charts have given us sell signals, so I'll be expecting more weakness ahead. The strategy should be to sell on rise. You can see when the momentum indicators have given a buy signal, we've seen a good rally. Before that, we've given a good cycle on the downside. So it's a good cycle going on the daily charts, and now it's a sell cycle. So I'll be expecting a good correction here. On the hourly charts, we've broken out from a rising wedge pattern, which is a ending diagonal pattern on the Elliott wave principles. It has been forming lower tops, lower bottom on the daily, on the hourly charts, and forming a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, and the momentum indicator is already in the sell side. So overall, the strategy should be to sell on rise. A small triangular pattern has formed here on the hourly chart, so I'll be expecting this consolidation to break on the downside. Bank Nifty again, a little bit of weakness here, a 3-wave on the upside, and I'll be expecting 5-wave on the downside, which is an expanded flat pattern. The momentum indicator has given a sell signal, so the strategy should be to sell on rise. It is looking weak because this rising wedge pattern has broken on the downside, and I'll be expecting more weakness here. So the support would be around 12,350 and 12,180. 12,180 would be our short-term targets. Resistance would be around 12,710 and 12,860. Bajaj Auto is looking bearish here, where this trend line, upward sloping trend line, has broken on the downside. The small triangular pattern on the daily charts has broken downside. The momentum indicator has given a sell signal. So overall things are looking negative for this stock. It has also retraced almost 50% of this entire fall. So now the next leg on the downside has started for auto. Overall stocks are also looking negative. Hero Motocorp, Bajaj Auto are the topics for me on the sell side. Support would be around 1735 and 1665. Resistance would be around 1830 and 1875. The second stock I've chosen is BHEL. BHEL has always been weak in last I think 6-7 months. Has been trending down. Even if the momentum indicator is on the buy side, just slides upside, and it has already given a sell signal. So a very powerful break on the downside of this upward sloping trend line. So overall it is looking weak. The medium term outlook is weak, short term outlook is weak. Support would be around 181 and 174. 174 would be our short term targets. Resistance would be around 192 and 197. I'll not be expecting this stock to go above 197 in next coming, I think, 1 quarter. So it's always a sell on rise for this stock. Thank you so much.